Welcome, innovators and creators. Have you ever had a brilliant idea, a unique invention, or a creative masterpiece, and wondered, how do I make sure no one else takes credit for it? Well, that's exactly what we are diving into today: intellectual property rights, your ultimate shield to protect innovation. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a brand owner, or simply curious, this session is your gateway to understanding how to safeguard what you create. What's in store for you today? A deep dive into patents, the powerhouse of protection for inventions and groundbreaking ideas. A sneak peek into other IPRs, trademarks, designs, copyrights, trade secrets, which we'll cover in upcoming videos. So if you have ever wondered how to secure your ideas, build a strong brand, or stay ahead in innovation, you are in the right place. Let's get started and explore the power of IPR together. The many faces of intellectual property rights in India. Now picture this. You have built an innovative gadget, designed a stunning product, or launched a brand with a catchy name. But how do you ensure no one copies your hard work? That's where intellectual property rights come in. Each type of IPR acts as a legal shield, safeguarding different forms of creativity and innovation. Let's explore them one by one. Patents, protecting inventions and technology. Imagine the light bulb or a revolutionary new yield mechanism. Patents give inventors exclusive rights over their technological breakthroughs for up to 20 years, ensuring others can't copy or sell their innovations. Trademarks safeguarding brand identity. Think of Nike's swoosh or Coca-Cola's iconic script. Trademarks protect names, logos, and slogans, helping businesses stand out. With timely renewal, trademarks can last forever. Designs protecting aesthetics. Ever admired the sleek curves of a car or the unique shape of a bottle? Designs protect the visual appeal, like shape, pattern, or ornamentation, for up to 15 years. Copyrights, securing creative works. From best selling novels to chart topping songs, copyrights protect literature, music, films, and art. This protection lasts for the creator's lifetime plus 60 years. Geographical indications, celebrating regional identity. Ever sipped Darjeeling tea or wrapped yourself in Mysore silk? GIs protect products linked to a specific region, ensuring their quality and authenticity remain intact. But IPR doesn't stop here. Trade secrets, the power of confidential business information. Plant varieties and farmers' rights, protecting agriculture innovations. Semiconductor chip designs, essential for the digital age. IPR fuels creativity, protects businesses, and drives economic growth. And each form of IPR plays a unique role in shaping the future. Imagine you're an inventor working in a small workshop in Bangalore. You have spent months experimenting, failing, and improving until finally you create something groundbreaking, a device that significantly enhances smartphone battery life. You are proud of your invention, but here's the big question: how do you make sure no one else takes your idea and profits from it? A patent is like owning a house. You have the exclusive rights to decide how it's used, who can access it, and whether you want to sell or lease it. In the same way, a patent gives you the legal right to use, sell, or license your invention. This means no one else can copy or exploit your idea without your permission. It protects your hard work and gives you the confidence to take your invention to the next level, whether that's seeking funding, entering partnerships, or bringing your product to market. In India, patents are governed by the Indian Patent Act and patent rules, along with recent amendments that have made it even easier for inventors to protect their ideas. With these changes, focusing on streamlining the filing process, reducing the waiting times, and improving transparency, especially in sectors like technology and pharmaceuticals. Now let's look at how patents have played a crucial role in real world innovation. You've probably heard of Bharat Biotech, the company behind one of India's COVID-19 vaccines. They received a patent for their novel method of producing the vaccine, giving them exclusive rights over the technology. This prevented unauthorized companies from copying the process, ensuring that their innovation remained protected. Thanks to patents, Bharat Biotech was able to control the production, safeguard its intellectual property, and contribute to the global fight against the pandemic. Now let's talk about Zoho, a leading software company. Zoho holds multiple patents for its enterprise software solutions, giving it a competitive edge in the crowded tech market. These patents ensure that Zoho's innovative technologies remain protected from unauthorized competitors, allowing the company to continue innovating without fear of imitation. So, why are patents so important? They reward the inventors for their creativity and hard work. They give businesses a competitive edge, ensuring that others can't copy their innovations. They drive progress, ensuring and encouraging more research and technological advancements in every field, from medicine to software, electronics, and beyond. At the end of the day, owning a patent means you have control over your invention. Just like owning a house gives you the right to decide who enters and how it's used, a patent gives you the power to decide how your invention is used, sold, or licensed. And with India's recent improvements to the Patent Act and rules, protecting your ideas has never been easier. So if you're an innovator, make sure you secure your rights and safeguard your creativity because your ideas deserve protection. Imagine a small pharmaceutical lab in Hyderabad. A researcher, Dr. XYZ, has just developed a groundbreaking drug that could drastically reduce the effects of malaria. This discovery has the potential to save thousands of lives. But here's the problem. Without proper protection, someone else could copy it, mass produce it, and profit from his hard work. So, how does Dr. XYZ safeguard his invention? Patents do more than just protect ideas, they drive progress by encouraging inventors to develop new solutions, knowing their efforts will be rewarded. In India, the Patent Act and rules provides a strong legal framework, and with the recent amendments, the process has become even faster and more accessible for innovators. Let's look at how patents have transformed different industries. Think about life-saving drugs like insulin. When it was first developed, inventors patented it, ensuring controlled distribution and ethical use. This approach has shaped modern medicine, making critical drugs available worldwide. A more recent example is Bharat Biotech, which patented its COVID-19 vaccine technology. This protection allowed them to retain exclusive rights, ensuring the vaccine's safe production while contributing to global health efforts. Without patents, pharmaceutical companies might hesitate to invest in research due to the risk of losing their work to competitors. But with patents, they can continue developing groundbreaking treatments that change lives. Now let's talk tech. Can you imagine using a phone without a touch screen? That's right. Touch screen technology was patented by Apple, revolutionizing how we interact with devices. Companies like Zoho and TCS use patents to protect their innovative software solutions, ensuring they stay ahead in the global market. With patent protection, they have the confidence to invest in cutting edge research, knowing their ideas are legally safeguarded. Patents in technology don't just protect businesses, they fuel progress, encouraging companies to build better, smarter solutions. Let's shift gears to the automobile industry. Tesla is a perfect example of how patents can drive innovation. The advancements in electric vehicle battery technology has set new industry standards. By securing patents, they have been able to maintain their leadership in the EV market, pushing the world towards greener, more sustainable transportation. Mahindra Electric is leveraging patents for their EV innovations, helping shape the country's green mobility revolution. With strong patent protection, they are paving the way for a cleaner future, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. So, what do all these examples show? Patents aren't just legal documents, they empower innovation across industries. Whether it's healthcare, technology, or transportation, patents ensure that inventions remain protected while benefiting the society. At the end of the day, patents play a critical role in shaping our world. They give inventors the confidence to create, businesses the power to grow, and society the benefits of groundbreaking advancements. So, whether you're an innovator, an entrepreneur, or just someone fascinated by technology, understanding patents is key to appreciating how new ideas turn into reality. What makes an invention patentable? Imagine a young inventor, Mr. ABC, from Bangalore. He has always been passionate about technology and accessibility. One day, while watching his grandfather struggle to turn on a fan due to limited mobility, an idea struck him. What if he could control home devices using just his eye movements? Excited, he started researching. He discovered that while smart home systems existed with voice commands and physical switches, no one had explored eye tracking technology in this space the way he envisioned. That's when he realized his idea had the potential to be patented. But before filing a patent, Mr. ABC needed to ensure his invention met the three key criteria under the Indian Patent Act 1970: novelty, non-obviousness, and industrial applicability. Let's walk through his journey and understand what makes an invention patentable. Novelty, the spark of innovation. The first and most important question: is the invention new? For an idea to be patented, it must be something the world hasn't seen before. It can't be published in research papers, displayed in exhibitions, or even mentioned in existing patents. Mr. ABC dug deeper. He searched through patents and scientific journals to check if his idea had been disclosed before. While eye tracking technology existed, it had never been applied in the way he envisioned for smart home controls. This meant his invention was novel. Let's take a real world example. Aether Energy, a startup in Bangalore, developed a battery swapping system for electric scooters. Before this, EV users had to wait for hours to charge their vehicles. Aether system allowed users to simply swap an empty battery with a fully charged one in minutes. This was something new, something that had never been done before in India. Their patent gave them exclusive rights to this innovative idea, protecting it from being copied. So, novelty is all about asking, has this been done before? If the answer is no, you are on the right track. Secondly, non-obviousness, the art of innovation. The next big question: is the invention just an obvious tweak or does it involve real ingenuity? Patent law states that an invention must not be something that an expert in the field could easily tinker. Mr. Davies' invention combined two existing technologies: eye tracking and smart home automation. But his approach was not obvious. No one had thought of integrating them in a way that allowed people with mobility issues to control home appliances effortlessly. Let's look at another real world example: Curemetrics. They developed an AI powered software that detects early signs of breast cancer in mammogram images. Now, mammograms already existed, and AI was being used in many fields, That geometrics combined the two in a unique way, training the AI to detect patterns that even experienced radiologists might miss. This wasn't just an obvious step forward, it was a groundbreaking innovation. For an invention to be patentable, it must make people say, wow, why didn't anyone think of that before? That's what separates real innovation from simple improvements. Imagine Mr. ABC has successfully proven that his invention is new and not obvious. But there's one last question the patent office will ask. Can this invention be made and used in the real world? In simple terms, an invention must be something that can be practically manufactured and used. It can't just remain an idea on paper. Mr. ABC had already built a prototype of his eye controlled smart home system. He demonstrated how a person with limited mobility could turn on lights, control the TV, or adjust the fan just by moving their eyes. This proved that his invention wasn't just theoretical, it had real world applications. It could be manufactured, sold, and used by people who needed it. Let's take an example from the world of medicine: biodegradable surgical sutures. Doctors always needed sutures to close wounds, but traditional ones had to be removed after healing. Then, scientists developed sutures that dissolve inside the body, eliminating the need for removal. This wasn't just an interesting idea, it could be mass produced and used in hospitals worldwide. That's what made it patentable. So, Mr. ABC was now confident that his invention met all three criteria. Novelty. No one had created an eye controlled smart home system before. Non obviousness. It wasn't just a small improvement, but a unique and inventive step. Industrial applicability. Could be manufactured and used in real life. So, with all the three criteria checked, Mr. ABC filed his patent application. If granted, it would give him the exclusive rights to his invention, preventing others from copying it without his permission. But more than that, his invention had the potential to change lives. And that's the true power of patents. They protect ideas, encourage innovation, and bring real solutions to the world. So the next time you think of an invention, ask yourself these three questions. Is it new? Is it a creative leap, not just an obvious tweak? Can it be made and used in the real world? If the answer to all the three is yes, you might just have the next big patentable idea. Alright, let's take a moment and go back to our inventor, Mr. ABC, who has just learned what makes an invention patentable: novelty, non obviousness, and industrial applicability. He's excited about his eye controlled smart home system and is ready to file his patent application. But then he hears something that makes him pause. Not everything can be patented. Curious, he starts digging deeper into India's Patent Act 1970 and comes across sections 3 and 4, which list inventions that cannot be patented. Now let's walk through what he discovered. Imagine if Newton had tried to patent gravity after watching that apple fall. Would that have been fair? Of course not. Laws of nature, abstract ideas, and scientific principles exist in nature. They aren't inventions. Similarly, if someone today discovers a new mathematical formula or a scientific theory, they cannot patent it. Mr. ABC realizes that while his invention uses scientific principles, it is still a technological product, making it patentable. But if he had just come up with a theory on how eyes track movement without building anything, that would not qualify for a patent. Now, let's say someone develops an amazing new way to predict stock market trends. They use complex mathematical calculations and algorithms. But here's the catch: since mathematical methods and business models fall under non patentable subject matter, this invention cannot be patented. However, if someone creates a software based system that integrates with the device and offers a technical solution, that may be patentable. Mr. ABC then reads something surprising. He learns that plants and animals except microorganisms, cannot be patented. Why? Because nature is not an invention. For example, if a scientist discovers a rare medicinal plant in the forest of Karnataka, they cannot patent it. But if they extract an active compound, process it, and develop a new pharmaceutical formulation, that might be patentable. Mr. ABC realizes that patents protect human made inventions, not natural discoveries. Now, this one gets really interesting. Doctors save lives every day using innovative treatments, surgeries, and diagnostic techniques. But can they patent these methods? No. Why? Because medical treatments are meant to help people, not become restricted under patents. For example, if a doctor develops a new type of surgery for heart patients, they cannot patent the procedure. But if they invent a new surgical tool or device, that could be patentable. Mr. ABC realizes this distinction is important. It protects doctors' ability to provide life saving treatments without legal barriers. Now, let's take a controversial example. What if someone invents a machine that generates harmful toxins or a technology that promotes illegal activities? Clearly, such inventions cannot be patented. India's patent law ensures that inventions do not harm society, public order, or the environment. This protects people from unethical technologies while encouraging safe and responsible innovations. Finally, Mr. ABC learns about one major restriction. Any invention related to atomic energy is non-patentable. Why? Because nuclear technology, atomic minerals, and radioactive substances must remain under government control for national security. This ensures that such sensitive technologies are not misused. So, if someone develops a new method to harness atomic energy, it cannot be patented. The government may still support its research. After learning all this, Mr. ABC understands why some things cannot be patented. It prevents monopolization of natural laws and scientific theories. It ensures ethical considerations in medicine and technology. It protects public safety, morality, and national security. And most importantly, it helps innovators focus on what truly makes an invention patent worthy. So while Mr. ABC I controlled smart home system is patentable, he now knows to avoid wasting time on non patentable ideas. As inventors, entrepreneurs, and dreamers, knowing what can't be patented is just as important as knowing what can be patented. Let me take you on a journey into the world of patents, where innovation meets protection, but only if it meets the right criteria. Meet Mr. Z, an aspiring inventor. He has spent years developing a self healing smartphone screen that can repair minor scratches and cracks on its own. Excited about this breakthrough, he rushes to file a patent application. But wait, before he can secure exclusive rights, there's one major hurdle. Not every invention gets a patent, only those that meet strict legal standards are protected. Mr. Z soon realizes that the patent system is built on integrity, ensuring that only genuine innovations get protected, while preventing weak or fraudulent patents from clogging the system. This is where patent eligibility and system integrity come into play. Why patent integrity is crucial? Mr. Z learns that patents are not granted just because someone files an application. The system has to ensure only real innovations get protection, inventors receive exclusive rights only if they meet the legal criteria, society benefits from high quality patents that drive progress. Without integrity, patents could be misused, blocking real innovation instead of encouraging it. Imagine if someone patented a common household item like a spoon, claiming it's their invention. Such patents were granted without scrutiny, real innovators would suffer. That's why patent integrity ensures fairness so that only deserving inventions get protection. How does the patent system maintain integrity? As Mr. Z waits for his application to be examined, he discovers the key elements that make the patent system strong and reliable. Before granting a patent, examiners carefully review applications to check: is this invention truly new? Does it involve an inventive step? Can it be practically applied in industries? They search existing patents and prior art to ensure the invention is truly unique. Mr. Z feels relieved. His self-healing screen is unlike anything on the market, but he must provide clear and detailed information about his innovation. He understands that a patent must contain a complete technical description so that experts in the field can understand and reproduce the invention. Ambiguous or vague patents can lead to rejections and legal disputes. Mr. Z thus realizes he must describe his self-repairing material properly, including chemical composition, working mechanism, and test results. Imagine someone tries to cheat the system. Some applicants they hide the prior art, that is, existing inventions to appear novel, and they file patents for already known technologies. Some of them use vague claims to block competition unfairly. But here's the good news: misleading patents can be revoked. Patent offices and courts cancel fraudulent patents if they are found to be invalid. So Mr. Z must be honest in his filing, ensuring that all data is accurate and transparent. Mr. Z also learns about patent trolls, companies that file patents just to sue businesses and extract the money without actually inventing anything. Patent trolls they slow down innovation by creating legal battles. And the weak patents, which are granted without proper novelty checks, reduce the trust in the system. Overlapping patents, that is, multiple patents on similar ideas, create confusion and disputes. So, to prevent these issues, the system allows post grant opposition, where third parties can challenge and revoke weak patents. This keeps the patent landscape clean and trustworthy. Mr. Z reads about a real world example: the rotavirus vaccine patented by Bharat Biotech. This vaccine saved millions of lives, and its patent was granted only after strict examination of its novelty and clinical effectiveness. The ethical filing ensured that all research data was transparent, and once the patent gets expired, the vaccine will enter the public domain, allowing other manufacturers to produce affordable versions. This proves that strong patent integrity helps both inventors and society, encouraging innovation while ensuring fair access to life-changing technologies. So in conclusion, I would like to ask why patent integrity matters for all of us. So through our Mr. Z, who now understands that patents aren't just about granting rights, they are about ensuring fairness in innovation. Only genuine inventions receive protection. The system remains transparent and trustworthy. Inventors can confidently file patents knowing their hard work is valued, and the society benefits from high quality patented technologies. Mr. Z realizes that innovation thrives only when patents are granted responsibly and protecting real inventions while preventing misuse. Mr. Z successfully patents a self-healing screen, but more importantly, he understands the patent system is built on integrity. By ensuring fairness, transparency, and ethical innovation, we can build a future where genuine inventors are rewarded and society benefits from real technological progress. So the next time you think of filing a patent, remember, integrity is the key to unlocking true innovation. Imagine the streets of Delhi and Mumbai filled with electric vehicles, reducing pollution, making transportation more sustainable. This shift is driven by patented innovations in battery technology and energy storage. Take Tata Motors for example. Their next generation battery systems and efficient charging technologies are protected by patents, ensuring competitive edge in driving mass adoption of EVs. These patents lower the cost, enhance the efficiency, and make EVs more accessible to consumers. Through strong intellectual property rights, the EV industry is moving towards a cleaner, greener future. Let's rewind to the early 20th century. Diabetics had no effective treatment. The introduction of insulin changed lives, and patents played a key role in its development and global accessibility. Novo Nordisk secured the patents for insulin, allowing them to protect their formula while ensuring large-scale production. These patents enabled licensing agreements that made insulin widely available, striking a balance between innovation and public access. This is how patents in pharmaceuticals help companies invest in research while ensuring life-saving drugs reach those in need. Indian biotech firm Biocon has revolutionized healthcare with patented biosimilars, offering affordable treatments for cancer and diabetes. By protecting their breakthroughs, Biocon ensures continued investment in life-saving research, making advanced medicines accessible to millions worldwide. Patents empower pharmaceutical companies to bring innovative therapies to market, benefiting both patients and the economy. The Indian Patent Act plays a crucial role in fostering innovation. The recent amendments have streamlined this process, making it easier for companies to protect their inventions. Industries like renewable energy, smart technologies, and biotechnology are leveraging patents to compete globally while addressing India's unique needs. These reforms encourage more research, attract investments, and ensure a strong intellectual property ecosystem in India. Patents are not just legal documents, they are the foundation of technological and economic growth. They inspire innovation, create opportunities, and protect genuine advancements. From electric vehicles to life saving drugs, patents continue to shape the future, ensuring that India remains at the forefront of global innovation. A patent grants exclusive rights to an invention, promoting innovation while ensuring public benefit. But these rights don't last forever. In India, a patent remains valid for 20 years from the filing or priority date, after which the invention becomes publicly accessible. A standard 20-year term applies to all patents, whether held by individuals, institutions, or corporations. There is an annual maintenance fees which are required to keep the patent in force. And after the expiry, the invention enters the public domain, allowing anyone to use or manufacture it freely. Unlike trademarks, patents cannot be extended or renewed beyond 20 years. These rules create a balanced system that benefits both inventors and society. Thank you. Hope your understanding of IPR has widened. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on intellectual property and innovation. Stay tuned for more such videos.